Hello children, сәлем оқушылар. Бүгін біз Family Friends'тің 2-ші класстарға арналған кітабынан шолу жасаймыз, классбук. Егер де сендерге канал ұнаған болса, лайк басып, комментарий қалдырып, достарымызға жібереміз. Олар да көріп түсіну үшін. Бұл жерде бірінші тапсырма. Сөздерді толықтыруымыз керек. Біз A-ден J-ге дейін бар. Edward switched on the camcorder to film his family. Andy and Max went upstairs to get their coats. Mom put on her best dress to go to the party. Sue took the glass into the kitchen to get some more water. Next, they turned on the radio to listen to the news. They bought a new suitcase to take on holiday. People use remote control to change TV channels. We saved all our money to pay for the tickets to watch the match. Theo went into Sydney's bedroom to play trick on him. Mom only watched TV to see adverts. Next, how often? How often do you eat in restaurant? Қаншалықты жиі ресторанда тамақ жейсің? To talk about how frequently we do things, we can use expression once, twice, 3 times, or a day, week, once, year. I eat in a restaurant about once a month, so it goes on holiday twice a year. Мен ресторанда айына 1 рет тамақтанамын. Сәли демалысқа 2 жылда 1 рет барады. Қаншалықты жиі? Оған біздер times жылына 1 рет, жылына 2 рет, немесе аптасына 1 рет сөздерімен біз оған жауап береміз. 1 рет дегеніміз once болады, 2 рет twice болады, 3 рет 3 times, 4 рет 4 times деп айтамыз. Екі болады twice, 2 рет twice. Үшіншісі тоже twice, 2 рет. Ал төртіншісі in January, May and October. 3 times. Өйткені 3 уақыт берілген. Бесіншісі on first Friday of every June. Once. Every. Ал жеті болады once. 8 either Tuesday or Thursday. Twice. 9 every. Келесі 47-ші бет. Complete the sentences. Use verbs from the blue box, nouns from the red box too. We can use computer to play games. We use camera to take pictures. We use rocket travel to into the space. To the moon. We use suitcase we use a clock to know time. We use money to buy food and clothes. We use remote control to switch the TV. We use a radio to listen to music or news. We use a key to open a door. We use ladder We can use a computer to play games. We use camera to take pictures. We use rocket to travel to the moon. We use suitcase to carry holiday things. We use clock to know time. We use money to buy food and clothes. We use radio remote control to switch on the TV. We use radio to listen news. We use instruments to make music. We use camcorder to film people and places. We use a key to open a door. We use a ladder to climb a wall. Next. Сөздерден сөйлем құраймыз. Molly went upstairs to tidy her room. Dad went to get. Dad went to Dad went to the petrol station. To get some petrol. Әкем заправкаға бензин құю үшін кетті. Келесі бізде сұралы сөйлем екен. Did we go to see Did we go to the zoo? To see animals. Біздер зоопаркке жануарларды көру үшін бардық па? We get to the hospital. He turned left. He turned left. Get to the hospital. Ол больницаға бару үшін солға бұрылды. We visited to see. We visited the zoo to see some dolphins. People use two alphabets People write alphabet. To use words. Next. Katie walked to the park to watch the fireworks. Last one is Mom bought the food to make a picnic. People write alphabet to use words. Адамдар алфавитті жазды әріпті білу үшін. Кети паркке жаяу жүріп барды. Mom bought the food to make picnic. Анам тамақтарды сатып алды пикник жасау үшін. 46-ші бетте тапсырма өтеміз. Look at the table about Libby. True or false? Write T or F. Libby goes to the hairdresser once a month. True. Walk to school. Libby walks to school every day, once a week. False. Libby does the homework every day in the morning. Yes, true. Libby goes on holiday twice a year. True. Libby visits her grandma every weekend. True. Libby has a picnic 4 times a year. 1, 2, 3. False. Present every year. True. Next. How often does Henry visit his grandparents? Henry visits his grandparents 3 times a year. How often Mandy watches a documentary? Mandy watches a documentary once on Saturdays. How often does Claire argue with someone? Claire argues with someone twice a year. How often does Max watch film? Max watches film twice on Tuesday and Thursday. How often Finn goes swimming? He goes swimming once a week. How often Zach visits his grandparents? Zach visits his grandparents 3 times a week. Видеоны паузаға қойып, көшіріп алсаңдар болады. Ал біздер келесі бетке өтеміз. Exhibit review 3. Will or want қоямыз. They will flight. They will fly in the moon. 3 is I will have more money to spend. Children want eat unhealthy food. Your people lots of food. Alice and Jason are arriving tomorrow. I can't believe they will be in 24 hours time. Jason loves museum, so I decide we are going to visit the town museum on Thursday. Alice wants to see the countryside, so we are